The upcoming Jordan Flight Court Military Blue blends nostalgic appeal with updated design, offering a modern take on a heritage-inspired colorway. While it doesn't hold the legendary status of the Air Jordan 4, it draws heavily from the 1989 military blue with its clean white leather upper and bold blue detailing. This version introduces subtle but fresh elements like faux-aged midsoles and touches of Carolina blue on the outsole and upper eye stays, channeling a hint of UNC flavor. The stylistic remix mirrors the recent success of 2024's Bred Reimagined and AJ4 military blue, both of which sold out quickly and earned Sneaker of the Year buzz. Though not a direct retro, the Flight Court serves as an accessible and stylish nod to Jordan brand's roots. Retailing for $115, the Jordan Flight Court Military Blue is expected to hit Nike.com and select retailers soon, offering a refined, everyday option that balances OG inspiration with fresh energy.